Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Ouna. If it's your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I tied this beautiful 6-yard Ankara Gele infinity pleats. You can call it million pleats if you like. So stay tuned. I'm going to fold the fabric into two, just like that. I'll place it on my client's head and start pleating with my 4 fingers under the fabric. So I'm just like pulling the fabric forward. I'll ask her to hold the right side while I extend the pleats at the left side. So I'm taking the shorter part to the other side of her ear and I'm just extending the pleat at the longer side, then I'll take it over to the other side. Then I'll take it round her head and start making my pleats from the top of the fabric. So I'm just using my middle finger and my pointing finger to pull the fabric from behind. Then I'm using my thumb to push the fabric backwards from the front. I'll just extend the pleats. I'm taking it round again. Guys, this is like the third time. So I'm just going to place the fabric on top of the pleats I already made. I ain't no connoisseur, but I'm kind of sure you will admire my tasting before the sun graze you. Still making my pleats from the top of the fabric. This is like the easiest way for me to make pleats. And I promise you my goals. I'm going to make my pleats from here before taking it around her head. This is the fourth round and then the last. So I'll just extend the pleat. Selfie time. So I'm just folding the tip of the fabric. Then for the back, I'm just folding everything in, and then I'm going to tie the fabric, the remaining fabric, with the one I left behind in the beginning, and I'm just going to make it into a bun. After making the bun, I'm just going to use office things to secure the bun so it stays in place. This is the end of the tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.